Hello, welcome back to my page. I remember not knowing that the dishwasher has a filter that needs to be cleaned inside of it. So because I'm cleaning that today, I decided to film it. So the bottom rack moves in and out. It's not attached to anything. You just lift it up. It just has rollers at the bottom. And where you place your forks and knives and spoons is not attached to anything either. After it's removed, you have to turn your filter counterclockwise to unlock it and clockwise to lock it when you need to put it back in. My filter doesn't look that dirty because I use my dishwasher as a storage. But if you use it to wash your dishes, yes, it's going to be dirtier than that. I just use soap and water to clean my filter. I've seen people use vinegar as well. What I did after I cleaned my filter, I just ran a cycle with hot water. I wanted to see what's inside that filter holder, but there is not much going on in there. As you can see, on top of the filter, it shows you how to lock and unlock it. This is my filter after washing it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.